Hi everyone, this is Maria and I'm at Michael's in Fullerton, California, and I thought it would be fun today to show you their wreaths. They have so many really cute Halloween wreaths and I think they're reasonably priced. And so let's go ahead and take a closer look at these. Maybe you can get some ideas, you guys. Look at this one right here. It says Happy Halloween. It's got the skull, the little hat, and the burlap right here. This is all burlap. It's the ribbon. And then the sign and the bony hand. Really cute. And then this one right here with this skull. Looks like the Grim Reaper, doesn't it? It says keep out. I love the black flowers on this. And it's got this creepy cloth here, a bony hand. This one is $85. And if they're not marked down, I'm pretty sure you can use your coupons, you guys. You can ask them at the register. And then look at this one right here. This one's a little bit different. You can see it's one of these like Christmas type wreaths, but it's black. And I really love the orange and the black. All these colors really pop on it. And then this one right here has a ghost. It says boo. Look how cute. I love these centerpieces in the wreaths. Just really love this. This one is made of, so this one here, you can see it has, I don't know what you call this, some sort of netting. I think it's ribbon. And it looks like they frayed it. You can see the ends are frayed, but it's really cute. And then look at this one right here. It says spooky. I love that. Look at those bony hands. And these picks. Wreaths are so much fun to make, and they can get expensive too. I just finished making my fall wreath. I think I have about $45 into it. Look at this one right here with the witch's hat, the pumpkins. Look at the little pumpkins and the flowers. I love the colors, the green and the purple, and it has the witch's legs. So one of my favorite ones is right here behind the witch. Let me move her legs so you can get a better look at this. So I love this, you guys. It is one of my favorites, and it has the skeleton pirate, and he has a sword. It says beware, and look at the pirate ribbon with the skull and crossbones. This one is only $60. I really like this. It has a wired frame, and it has this ribbon wound around it. But I think it is really, really cool. I love this. Definitely one of my favorites. This one has a skeleton, and look at the hat. And look at all the colors, the ribbon with the polka dots. It says Happy Halloween. It's really cheerful. It makes you smile. I just love it. It's $85. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. This one is also $85. Look how cute this is. And again, the ribbon. There's so many choices with the ribbons. And then this one is really adorable, the ghost that says boo, $60. I love this. They also frayed the ribbon here on the ends. I think that's a really good idea. And then we have this one right here with all of the pretty flowers. I love this. It says Happy Halloween. Check this one out, you guys. It says Happy Halloween. Look how pretty and how festive. It almost has like the Mardi Gras colors, right? And then look at the purple spider on the hat. I love all of the details. The ribbons are so pretty. I love the polka dots, the stripes, and then these picks here. Just really, really pretty, and it definitely screams Halloween. Look at the ghost on this one. It says boo. I think this is so cute. I love this. This one is also my favorite, you guys. I think I'm gonna have lots of favorites. Check out the ribbon with the big spiders. I just love this. And this one is really pretty too with the spider web in the center. Look at that spider. Oh my gosh, really nice. And then around the corner we have some more. Here's another one that says boo. And this one, you guys, oh my gosh, this one is so cute. They put a pumpkin right in the center of the wreath. Look at that. And it looks like it has a little light in there. Just really, really cute. So that would look so cute when it's all lit up. And then look at the candy corn picks. They have a lot of really nice picks here, Halloween picks at Michael's. I just love this one. And this is $140. And then check this one out right here. This one is $130. It says Happy Halloween, trick or treat. Again, the orange and the black. I love this, and the ribbons. And then here's another one with a ghost. It says trick or treat. So cute. I love that. And then this one is very pretty. And then here's another one with a ghost that says trick or treat. There's one back here. Let's see what this is. Look how cute. I love this. Look at those. I just love those. And here's another one with the little jack-o'-lanterns and this really cute ribbon and all of these little bulbs here. I just love this. It's so cute. And another one here with the spider in the center. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this one. It says, come in, my pretties. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. This one is $70. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yeah, be sure to check Michael's, all their picks and things to make wreaths. They have a great selection. And then look at this one down here. It says trick or treat, but I really like this one here. So these are the Halloween wreaths at Michael's in Fullerton, California. I hope you enjoyed looking at these, you guys. Thanks for watching and happy Halloween, everyone. Bye.